Welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wanted to easily upgrade the look and functionality of your WordPress site, this guide is exactly what you need. I'm going to show you step by step how to import Elementor templates into your website so you can skip hours of customization and get a professionally designed page with just a few clicks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring in stunning templates, whether you're using Elementor's pre-made designs or uploading your own to make your site really stand out. Let's jump right in and get started. In your WordPress dashboard, open up Elementor. Now look up to the top right corner of the Elementor interface. You'll see a search button there. Go ahead and click it. This search button is a handy entryway to loads of useful features, and today we're going to use it to quickly find the templates section. Think of it as your personal shortcut, cutting out any confusion and getting you right to where you need to be. Once you've clicked search, type templates into the bar. As soon as you do that, you'll see an option that says on this to enter Elementor's template library. The template library is essentially a treasure chest of beautifully designed sites and pages. If you select Website Templates here, you'll be shown an extensive list of all the templates available for you to use. Take your time to browse through these. Elementor offers a wide variety, from minimal landing pages to vibrant business layouts. You can preview each template to see exactly how it'll look on your website, making it super easy to choose the one that matches your vision. Now, let's say you have your own template that you want to import. Maybe you've downloaded a template from another designer, or you've got a custom layout saved on your computer. No problem. Just look at the top of the page in the template library and you'll spot an Import Template button. Click that. It might take a moment to find if you're exploring for the first time, so don't worry if it's not instantly obvious. The layout can sometimes move things around depending on your Elementor version. Once you've clicked Import Template, you'll see an option to upload your template file. This is where you bring in your JSON or zip template file. Just locate it on your computer and select it. Elementor will automatically process the file and add it right into your templates list, almost like adding a new song to your playlist. At this point, you're almost done. Imported templates will appear in your template library, ready for you to apply to any page or section of your website. If the template doesn't show up immediately, just refresh the page. Sometimes Elementor needs a quick reset to update the library. And remember, you can import as many templates as you like, so feel free to experiment and see what looks best for your site. There's no risk in trying out new designs, and you can always switch back if you decide you want something else. And that's it. You've just learned how to import Elementor templates into your WordPress site. It's a simple process, but it unlocks a world of creative possibilities for website building. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions you have down in the comments below. I'm here to help. And if you want more website tips and easy-to-follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.